Netflix has just announced a date for when Tiger King Season 2 will premiere, following on from the previous season, which saw Joe Exotic sentenced to 22 years in prison. If Joe is in prison, will he be returning on our screens for the new season? Let's find out. Will Joe Exotic be in Tiger King Season 2? The latest viewers saw on Joseph Alan Maldonado Passage, aka Joe Exotic, is that he is locked away in federal prison. However, the official trailer for Season 2 showed him talking about dealing with the devil. According to the trailer, Tiger King Season 2 will begin from where the first season ended. It will show Joe calling himself an innocent man in prison. He continues to say, "Everybody from the zoo is out there making money, and I'm paying the price for every one of them. If you give a damn, it's time to speak up." In the video, it also shows a large portrait of Joe Exotic, as well as a few seconds of footage of the 58-year-old smiling while on the phone in prison. Others will also feature in a new season, claiming that Joe, even though he's currently serving a 22-year prison sentence, is innocent, seeing one woman vehemently argue, "Joe didn't hurt anybody. That's my opinion." I am Eastern European BH, so I can't be wrong. When is the Tiger King Season 2 release date? Netflix has announced that Tiger King Season 2 will premiere November 17, 2021. The second season of Tiger King brings back Exotic's version of Baskin's case. Meanwhile, Baskin finds her husband's death suspicious. The official synopsis of Season 2 reads, with Joe Exotic behind bars and Carole Baskin closing in on ownership of his disreputable zoo, the Emmy-nominated saga continues its twisted course with Tiger King 2 as newfound revelations emerge on the motivations, backstories, and secrets of America's most notorious big cat owners.